Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the essentials. Check Disk Smart, test RAM, and ensure the NIC supports 1 Gbps or better. Next, install a lightweight, headless Linux image and enable SSH so you can control the box remotely. Once done, decide if this machine will act as NAS, backup target, or a personal cloud, because that choice determines the software you install. Make sure to choose compatible drives and note power and cooling needs before moving to software setup. You now install the core services, Samba or NFS for LAN shares or Nextcloud for a full personal cloud. Follow package manager commands to keep dependencies clean. Then configure storage, set up software RAID or LVM for redundancy, and create a cron-based backup schedule to another drive or offsite. Once configured, harden access, add SSH keys, enforce strong passwords, and insert firewall rules. Also enable fail2ban to reduce brute force risks, because security prevents. You finish by testing everything. Push large files, sync a client, and access remotely through a VPN or HTTPS reverse proxy. Verify speeds and integrity. Make sure monitoring is active. Log Disk Smart, CPU temps, and service status so you catch failures early. If things go wrong, first check permissions and disk mounts, then restart the affected service and recheck firewall or NAT rules. If connectivity still fails, inspect logs and the SSH session. Those show the root cause most often.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.